Alright, hey guys, Andrew Gerard here. This is going to be a very quick video. I just wanted to reach out and make this video to show you guys how changing just a few small things in your image can give such a dramatic effect. So this is an image I shot with Holly Anderson, a model at this structure. This is on a beach. You can't tell, but there's people, like that's someone's head, I think, there. And this is a handle of a scooter. And so the water was right there. So I'm shooting right at the ground. I'm shooting this on a Tamron 17-28 lens. I believe this was wide open and at 17 millimeter at f2.8. But that's not what this is about. It's a little bit about the composition because I wanted to show you that you can eliminate, this is a very busy beach, but I eliminated all the people by shooting low, which I do often, and using just this basic structure here. There's some sand I kicked on here to give a bit of color to match her skin and the highlights on her hair, and also I planned on replacing the sky with something warm as well. A few things that I cleaned up here are this green crack, and up here, all lots of little spots. You can see there's bird poop here, a little piece of grass, some sand in the corner, this little part of someone's head, etc., etc. And the final image, with just those few small adjustments, is this. So if we kind of examine this image, we can see that one up here in the corner, all of the stuff that I cleaned up here, the green stuff is all gone. The bird poop, gone, simplifies things. So what I look for when I edit an image is things that take my eye away from the subject. And in this case, if you click back, you'll see the sky is very dominant here. There's all these little bits and bobs around that I didn't like at all. And the color palette wasn't working. She had these boots. I could have made them a little more orangey if I wanted, but I actually like them in the final result because it kind of brings out the reddiness and warm tones in the sky I replaced here. And yeah, just a few simple things make this go a long way. One other small thing is the shadow of her jacket here in the original. You can see there's like a little light pop there, and that to me was standing out. So I just darkened that in. So yeah, I hope this video helped, and I want to comment and let me know if you'd like to see me make videos on how to replace the sky. This was done using Luminar Neo. It was the first time I've used Luminar Neo, and I got some banding issues going on here. And I read up a little bit, and apparently a few other people have as well. Let me know if you're using Luminar Neo and if you experienced banding as well. Again, that's the before, that's the after. Yeah, and if you want to see more composite videos, let me know what you want to see in the comments below, and I will do my best. Until then, see you next time.